Hey boys and girls, next we're going to do a subtraction problem using our decomposing method. And my word problem is here. Jack wanted to run 45 blocks this week, but he only ran 24 blocks. How many more blocks does Jack need to run? I know that I need to subtract because he wants a total of 45 blocks run. Sorry. He's already run 24. I gotta figure out what's left. So I know I need to do 45 minus 24. My first step is going to be to decompose each number into tens and ones. So 45 has 4 tens for a value of 40 and 5 ones. And 24 has 2 tens for a value of 20 and 4 ones. Step 2 would be to subtract the tens. So 40 minus 20 equals 20. And then subtract the ones. 5 minus 4 equals 1. And my last step for subtraction is to add these two numbers together because we already did all of our subtraction. So it would be 20 plus 1 for an answer of 21 blocks left. All right, friends, go ahead and do your practice.